Hey everyone, we're back here at Mechanic Grove Church of the Brethren to take a peek at our classrooms that are now finished and some vestibules that we have changed around and added some doors on. Let's go inside and take a look. Standing in the upper level where we put 3 new classrooms in. This was the main sanctuary area, and now we got all drywall on, painted, carpet, lighting, and new ceilings. Looks bright and great. Hey, down here in the basement we had a couple little hurdles. We had doors that took a little bit longer lead time to get in, and that's what we're finishing up today to wrap this project up. Hey, in the next month you're going to see us working our way out the door, finishing up the vestibules with carpet and final paint. And then we're going to turn it over to the church and they're going to start decorating and doing everything they want to do. We'll see you guys later.